Hey there, science explorers. Welcome to my secret lab. I'm Nia, your little lab coat scientist. Today we're going to blow your mind with super cool experiments. Did you have fun in my last video? Remember to wear your safety glasses, your lab coat, and your gloves. Most importantly, never put anything in your mouth and do it with an adult. Going to make slime. For that we need glitter, glue, saline, food color, baking soda. Mix baking soda with glue. Remember, only 1 spoon of baking soda. Otherwise, it'll be a gooey glue. Now add saline in the glue and baking soda mixture. Only 30 milliliters of saline. Now mix the colors of your choice and then knead the slime. And this is glue is like noodles and baking soda and saline make noodles stick. This is called polymerization and cross-linking. Ask an adult 3 examples of cross-linking. You can see them in the video. This experiment is called rainbow plate. This we need the candies, plate, and water. Arrange the candy circle or any shape you like. I've arranged mine in a circle. Now let's pour some water in the middle of the candy. Let's get ready to see the fun. Yay, it looks so good! Magic behind this is water absorption. Water is absorbed by candy. And also capillary action! Ask an adult how capillary action works when you put a straw in water. This experiment is called Boing Boing Bouncy Ball. Bounce, bouncy, see bounce, see. For this experiment, we need cornstarch, mixing bowl, water, and food color. First, mix cornstarch, water, and food color. Take a help from adult and we have to microwave this for 30 seconds. Let it cool for 2 minutes and make it the shape of a ball. Magic behind this is non-Newtonian fluid. Cornstarch and water creates non-Newtonian fluid. Heating gives these particles lot of energy and then they start to dance. In dancing, they form a sticky bond and that's why they are bouncing. Ask an adult, explain more about non-Newtonian fluid and found out the item which he can eat. Hope you like my video. Like, share and subscribe.